Hey, good morning. Welcome to the Morning Brief. Today's Friday. Woohoo! January 9th. So, yay, it's Friday. What's going on today? Well, 8:30 this morning from forexfactor.com, we had average hourly earnings month over month. They were as expected, nothing good or bad. A non-farm employment change was 50K versus 66 expected. That is not good. That's a very low number. Unemployment rate 4.4%, better than expected at 4.5. Building permits were slightly better than expected. That is good news. 1.4 million versus 1.35 expected. Housing starts were down, but that's weather related. I don't really care about this number. 1.2 million versus 1.33 million. At 10 a.m., we have preliminary University of Michigan sentiment report, as well as the preliminary University of Michigan inflation expectations. So those are red items. So 10 a.m., better be paying attention. 1:35, we have, actually at 10 a.m., we also have an FOMC member, Kashkari, speaking. And at 1:35 p.m., FOMC member Barkin speaks. Those are yellow items not to worry about. That being said, I got some good action going on at 10 a.m. Now, of course, the Supreme Court is supposed to release information about the Trump tariffs, and that could obviously affect the market greatly. So I would keep most of my trades on a pretty short leash today. Moving on, looking at the daily chart, so you can see that we are just really trying hard to break out, but unsuccessful, at least this so far. Moving sideways, maybe short term is up, medium term is sideways, long term is still up. We are above the moving averages. Volume still sucks. It is what it is. Yeah, moving on. Looking at the inventory, yesterday we had price action was down, but we had up inventory. Now this baby, I think this is all positioning going into Friday here with that big news about the Supreme Court. Looking at the overnight inventory, approximately 34 points. That is above average. Average is about 22 to 25, but not crazy. Where do we have resistance on the top side? 7,000 still be at is the number. We get above 7,000, we got 704, 7014, and we're guesstimating up in here 7027 all-time highs. Support, decent support at 69.54. Some confluence at 69.45, 69.35. 69.20, 69.10 got a little bit of action, and 6,900. We've been talking about the 6,900 to 7,000 range for quite some time. So it's still doing that. Stock Traders Almanac for today is 57.1. 57.1, so a slight bias to the upside from the Stock Traders Almanac. Hope you have a great day, great weekend, and I'll see you Monday. Happy trading. Hey, thanks for watching the Morning Brief. Check out my website for more information, oneononetrading.com. Take a look at the Troy levels, a trade location finder for the futures markets. Help you find those levels of support and resistance that are just so hard to find. I also do personal coaching and mentorships. So go ahead and take a look at my website, oneononetrading.com.